Discover the unsettling secrets of how AI's sinister side. Imagine a world where your favorite celebrities say and do things they never did. A world where reality blurs with fiction. And here we're concerned now. The dark side of AI.
Deepfake.
Chapter 1: The Rise of Deepfake Technology. Deepfake technology has taken the world by storm, allowing anyone to superimpose famous faces onto existing videos. Back in 2017, when a Reddit user named Deepfakes gained notoriety for creating realistic face-swap videos of celebrities. This marked the birth of a technology that started as a mere novelty but quickly evolved into something far more complex. Chapter 2: Unauthorized Adult Content is where it gets uncomfortable. We're diving into the unsettling world of unauthorized adult content featuring celebrities. Take for instance, the case of a well-known actress in 2019 who became a victim of deepfake revenge porn. Explicit videos featuring her likeness circulated online, raising serious concerns about consent and privacy. This incident made headlines worldwide and thrust the issue of deepfake misuse into the spotlight. Chapter 3: Impact on Entertainment. The dazzling realm of Hollywood has faced the grim reality of deepfake misuse. Scarlett Johansson, victim of deepfake technology where her likeness was used in explicit adult content without her consent, highlighting the severe ethical breaches. Gal Gadot encountered deepfake videos falsely depicting her in compromising situations, emphasizing the misuse of technology. Emma Watson, deepfake videos emerged, manipulating her image for deceptive purposes, raising questions about online authenticity. Not even Hollywood's leading men, Tom Cruise, involved in a deepfake controversy where convincing videos of him discussing various topics emerged online, highlighting the potential for misinformation. Even the K-pop world, known for its vibrant music and charismatic idols, has not been immune to the sinister allure of deepfakes. We delve into real cases, from Jennie of Blackpink, faced deepfake controversies involving fabricated scandals, raising concerns about the misuse of deepfake technology. Irene of Red Velvet faced deepfake incidents that impacted her image, emphasizing the ethical challenges within the K-pop industry.
Wait guys, what happened here? Hello, AI 357 here. Are you still watching? I remind you to comment, subscribe and share this video. If not, I will slap you right in your ass.
These case studies underscore the broader implications of deepfake technology. It threatens digital identity, fuels the spread of misinformation, and raises complex ethical questions. The invasion of privacy, as seen with Taeyeon and Scarlett Johansson, is a grave concern. Combating deepfakes. Finally, we look at the efforts to combat the spread of deepfake content. In 2022, a leading tech company launched an AI-powered tool designed to detect deepfake videos on its platform. This technological innovation is a promising step towards identifying and removing harmful deepfake content. Additionally, lawmakers in several countries are pushing for legislation to criminalize the creation and distribution of malicious deepfakes. Then the K-pop industry began to take steps towards protecting its artists from deepfake threats. Agencies became vigilant in monitoring online content, and legal teams were empowered to swiftly address malicious creations. If you found this enlightening, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more thought-provoking content right here on. Until next video.